Good morning, children. How are you all? Huh? You have to ask me, but I am asking. આપણે મળતા નથી, but all of you today we are doing grammar 6. Huh? Standard 5th, all new children for me. Pulo madam નવા ને તમારા માટે. ને તમે નવા for me. But you have to feel all this. Homework માં શું આવશે? આ feel કરવાનું, okay? And explanation I need to just now. હમણાં સમજાવું છું, okay? Today we are going to learn types of pronouns. Types of pronouns. Okay? Pronouns. Pronouns એટલે શું? A word used instead of a noun. Okay? Word used in instead of a noun. See now, we know that words used in place of nouns instead means in place. In place of a noun are called pronouns. We have learned that personal pronouns are called nominative. Personal. I, she, he, you. These are all personal. We, they. When the person is the subject of the word, I, she, he, you, it, we and they. Page number, all of you will open 14 of your grammar book, all of you. Then we use this, they and they. Personal pronouns are called objective. Personal pronouns are called objective. Okay? Yeah. When the person is the object of the verb, when it is the object of the verb, that means I, then me, she, no, her. Okay? They, them, we, us. Object of the verb me, you, her, him, it, us and them. Then they are known as objective. Personal pronouns are called objective. These are known as objective. These all objective. Okay? They are the them. We, us. Children, little hard it is, but all of you pay attention. બરાબર જોજો આવડી જશે. Okay? See. I am appearing for the examination this year. I. Singular nominative. We are planning a big party for Diwali. We, plural. I singular, we plural. The branch hit me on the head. Branch hit me. Me is singular but objective. Are you understanding? The counselor gave us a talk on cyberbullying. Plural and objective. Gave us. Now here the personal pronouns in the second person stand for the person who is being spoken to. Aunt Sima, we missed you at the party. Singular and nominative. You. Children, why are you shouting? Children, why are you shouting? You we can use in both. Singular also and plural also. Okay? Yeah. See, this is singular, this is plural, this is person. How many persons are there? First person, second person, third person, right? Singular, I, plural, we. Now again singular, you, plural, you, and singular, third, this is first person, second person and third person. He, she, it. And here will be they. Clear, all of you? See, singular, plural, both. You can be used for singular also and plural also. You are a teacher. One teacher is there, so what will say? You are a teacher. More teachers. You are teachers. It can be used in singular also and plural also. Same. Now here, further. Children, why are you shouting? Plural, nominative. It is children. And if it is child, why are you shouting? Then it will be singular. Hurry up, or the school bus will leave without you. Singular, plural, objective. Now, personal pronouns in the third person stand for the person who is being spoken of. It is flying at a height of 30,000 feet. Singular, nominative. He or she swims regularly at the pool in the club. Singular, he, she, okay? Nominative. They are working on a project to conserve water. They, so plural and nominative. Sunil let him or her, him, it play with the rubber balls. Singular, objective. The agent has shown them many houses that are for sale. Plural, objective. Clear? Huh? If you don't understand, again you listen to the video, then you will understand. Keep your book open. And here now page number 15 I have filled. I have filled for you. See, rewrite the sentences using the correct nominative pronoun instead of the underlined words. Now Sonia, in place of Sonia I have put she. Sonia wants to be a computer engineer. So she wants to be a computer engineer. The audience will be seated by 6 o'clock. They will be seated by 6 o'clock. The monkey is trying to get out of the cage. It is now in place of monkey, it. Remaining same. So all of you will see and write. See and write the correct spellings with pencil. It is trying to get out of the cage. Nina and I enjoy watching plays. So Nina and I, two are there, more than one, no? So we enjoy watching plays. Then Mr. Sam is he. He is going on a cruise with his wife. Next, the carpenters. So they are working round the clock to finish the work on time. My father works for the United Nations as a human rights observer. He works for the, correct, okay, from here you will copy. My aunt bakes the most wonderful chocolate cakes. So my aunt, so she. Remaining same. The plant is a rare bonsai. To plant it is a rare bonsai. My mother and I go to visit my grandmother every Sunday. We, two are there, we go to visit my grandmother every Sunday. Okay children, after this I give you another lesson, page 16 after this.